Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Knight Williams in the building.
And Vicky.
And we are back at the house for round 237. No, I'm playing. It's like maybe like round 2 or 3.
I feel like it is round 3,000 by now.
So we're at the house and we are preparing to paint the bathrooms and potentially the living rooms, depending on what comes up when we do the bathrooms.
Yeah, the first priority today, since we've already removed the vanity from the half bath, is to now do the sheetrock. Because there was a lot of damage.
Right here.
Yeah. So that needs to be repaired first, and then of course we need to drain and remove the toilet. Yes, toilet. So, and then we need to go upstairs to the main master bathroom and remove that vanity as well, and that toilet. We already have the new toilets in, so that's
Dynaflow.
Yeah, that's great. We got 2 total toilets and 2 other ones for the half bath, but I just feel like let's get the bathrooms out the way as far as like the plumbing and the vanities and stuff, and then focus on painting. So we may not even have time to get to painting today. We'll just have to see.
So that's really about it. We're about to go get to these toilets. We'll show a couple of little video shots of how that's going, and we'll see you guys next time. Look at Vicky in here, putting in that work, cleaning these tubs so when they get reglazed. Tell the people hi, baby.
They never cleaned this tub in their life.
Never. And we are gonna get it reglazed, and it's gonna be a beautiful, crisp porcelain white, along with the rest of the bathroom.
Right.
It's about to be nice in here with matte black fixtures.
Right.
But that'll
Y'all
be
remember what this looked like.
Remember what this looks like. Every piece. I'm about to replace this toilet because people nasty.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put in a nicer toilet over there.
Right.
All right, I'm about to go get started on the toilet downstairs.
Okay.
See you, baby. So here is what we're gonna put on the first floor bathroom on side B. Coming over here, don't mind this ugly refrigerator and cabinets. New stuff coming within the next 2 weeks. We are getting rid of this. So I'm getting ready to take it apart. And I'm gonna take apart the toilet and throw that sucker away. I already took out the mirror, and then I'm going to replace the lights. Okay? All right. I will be back later. You guys have a good one. Here we go. So right now I am drilling out the wall of that ugly half bathroom. It had to go. I mean, you guys saw the pictures, you saw the videos on IG. Like, that wall after I pulled out the vanity was redunculous. Vicky will like that word. Anyway, you probably think I'm taking a little bit of extra time. That's because I do not want to make a huge mess. So I made sure that I cut only when needed. Measure twice, measure 4 times, cut once. As you can see, that's exactly what I'm doing right over here while Vicky walks around in her all pink attire for the day, her favorite color. I'm playing. It's not her favorite color. Her favorite color is black, like the night. Anyway, all I can say is when it comes to working on a house that you buy that's a little bit older than what you're used to, make sure you go back behind everyone, including the inspectors, to find things that you might not have found upon purchasing the home.
Don't let it beat you.
Oh. I thought it was almost done, but there's more. I gotta dig a little deeper. Try round 2. Right.
Woo! Oh boy.
I win! I am winner!
Wow. Some fatal attraction right there. Look at that.